Hey y'all, happy Friday. I literally just got off work. And I have to get prepared for a pop-up shop for tomorrow. This is my second pop-up shop of 2022. If you guys have been following along, last month I did a pop-up shop, which was the biggest Black business pop-up shop in Cleveland. I did that last month, and as overwhelming as it was and stressful as it was to get prepared for it, this pop-up shop that's happening tomorrow, I am definitely prepared for it. And so I have to go and just pack everything up. For this event, I have to bring my own table and my own chairs. I hate doing that, but it's okay because I don't like carrying all that stuff. But I also have a brand new gadget. Super excited about it. Came in the mail on Wednesday. I think Wednesday, yeah. And it's going to make carrying all that stuff in and out of, from my car to the vending space a lot easier. So I'm just going to show you guys briefly me packing everything up, and hopefully I am crossing my fingers that I can show you guys how I set up the space tomorrow, or set up the vending booth tomorrow, because I'm not going to be as overwhelmed as I was last month at this event. And also I have to go to a comedy show tomorrow with my sister. I'm going to be a six toe, so I really wasn't invited in the first place, but my sister had an extra ticket, so I'm going to go, and hopefully I can show you guys a little bit of that too. Where we're going, you're not allowed to film when you're inside of the space for the comedy event, but I will try to get some things. I will try to not get caught. If I do get caught, I'll see y'all when I get out of jail. I'm just playing, but I'm going to show you guys what I can show you, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to pack up my table and chair and put it in the car. And then I'll show you guys briefly kind of how I pack up everything for a pop-up shop and what I use. I also posted a shorts about pop-up shop essentials. So if you have not seen that, make sure you go watch it. And I'm getting ready to go pack up the stuff. Okay, real quick before I put this in the car, this is what I got. It's a new little wagon, and it is going to help me carry a lot of things, and so I don't have to make multiple trips to the car. It's folded up right now, but I'll post a picture of what it actually looks like, so you can see it extended, and you probably see me dragging it tomorrow as well. But yeah, so this is what it looks like folded up, and then you'll see it stretched out tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so I am done with bringing everything upstairs. I just wanted to bring everything upstairs. Some of it I did on camera, but that was just the stuff that I wanted to go into the car first. A lot of the things that are up here are not going to go into the car until tomorrow, because it's supposed to snow tonight or tomorrow, but the temperature is supposed to drop regardless. So I don't want any of the products to be in the car, and I don't want it to become solid, because the oil will go solid, because there is babasu oil in there, and that is a solid oil, and the moringa seed oil will solidify as well, even though it comes in liquid form. So yeah, that the oil is right there, and then I have the serum in here. The serum is glass, so, and I put everything in bubble wrap regardless. But, and then, sorry about that noise. The styler is at the bottom, covered up in bubble wrap as well. And that's 2 rows of styler in there, so a lot. The bags are right here. I always bring a Lysol wipes, because I always wipe my table down before and after I put the tablecloth on there. I don't know why I do it before. It really don't matter, because it's already clean before I brought it upstairs, but just for extra. Then I always take hand sanitizer with me. I've had this hand sanitizer for a long time. I need to make sure it hasn't expired. Does it expire? I don't know, but I just have the hand sanitizer there for me and for customers. Some customers, when they walk past, or even if they're not buying anything and they're just getting information, they will use it because they've been to other people's tables. I have popsicle sticks and some pipettes so that people can look at or smell the testers without sticking their fingers in there or applying it directly from the bottle or the pipette that's inside of the serum. Then this is for, so they want to do a raffle tomorrow. The lady contacted me earlier. She said they want to do a raffle. And so she was like, if you want to give away your product or a discount, you can. I said, okay. I'm giving away the oil because it's our bestseller. And also, you guys have seen this in plenty of pictures, both of these props. It's a fake monstera plant and then a fake lavender plant. I got a new tablecloth. That was what I mentioned earlier, that I said I got something new. I have to go upstairs and iron this, but this is supposed to fit all the way around the table, so that no one can see, you know, up under the table, or no one can, like if someone walks behind my table, they don't see what's behind the tablecloth or up under the table. I hate that. It looks so tacky to me, but hopefully that will fix that tomorrow. Of course, you guys seen this if you watch the short or you see the last video. These are the risers that I put my products on. I forgot this the last time. I need to clean these, but I forgot this the last time. I was so upset about it, but yeah. And sorry, these are upside down. But I actually had to stop really quick after I brought everything upstairs because I noticed that this is the price list from the last show. Last time I did not have the serum in stock yet, and so I just printed the price list for the mini oil, the styler, and then the 4-ounce oil. And so I don't have the 2-ounce oil anymore because they're just mini. I had to print a new price list and then I had to go pick it up. Hopefully it'll be done by the morning. If not, I'm gonna cry. But anyways, I have the scan and swipe to pay, or your options for paying, and then of course the QR codes for social media and the website. Now I'm mad because I bought these frames last month for the show, of course, and for other shows, but I'm gonna have to replace these probably after this show. I don't have time to go out and look for new frames or order some because they're not going to come in the mail in enough time. But they're scratched up pretty bad. And you know, don't get me wrong, I didn't spend a lot of money on these, but I did not expect them to look like this either. But that's okay because I'm going to get some new ones. Then of course the more props, of course. This is marble. I don't feel like picking this up because I don't want to scratch my nails. But this one is plastic, but it's like a marble plastic. But this is what I set my products on. I'll show you guys a full display tomorrow, of course. Of course, I have my lights that I used the last time. It was so pretty. It really stood out. The cards that I have for the last time. These what are these things called? They hold these up. But I was mad because these are really cheap as well. The Sands had like this real far lean and it was making me mad. This is the credit card scanner. You guys know I showed you guys this in the short as well. I have to take that upstairs and charge it. This did not come in the mail in enough time for me to use it the last time, but that is okay because it's on here. But this is for PayPal, just in case people use PayPal. I don't think anyone used it the last time anyways. I think most people either use their credit card or they sent it straight to Cash App. It also comes with a lanyard that I may or may not wear because this is extra long. And I think that's it, but I have to pack all of this up. I'm going to put it inside of this bin right here. This is more PayPal stuff that I'm probably not going to post up on the table. I'm actually really excited because last time I didn't have the serum in stock. You guys know that, I told you that. But I'm sorry that the lighting is bad in here. It's gloomy outside. But I can actually do my full setup tomorrow where I have my sliced cucumbers, my rosemary, and the ashwagandha root on the table. Normally, whenever I put all of that on the table, it attracts people more to the serum because they're like, we got cucumbers in it. And I was like, oh, well, it's cucumber extract in the serum. And so a lot of people are attracted to smells. Number one, that's what a lot of people are sold on, is smell. And so that's another reason why, like, if you guys are doing pop-up shops and you have like, and you're selling like hair or skincare products or whatever, like makeup, you make sure that you have testers so people can actually touch the product or feel the product. So always have some testers and have popsicle sticks so people do not stick their fingers inside of the product. I mean, some people will do it anyway, regardless of a popsicle stick. I'm getting ready to put everything up in the that I showed you on the table. I'm getting ready to put it all together so that in the morning all I gotta do is just put it in the car and do my hair, because I've had this hairstyle in all week. It's just some twists, 2-strand twists, but it's easier for me to wear my hair like this and go to the gym. I normally don't wear it in a ponytail, but I did for the sake of this video because my hair is frizzy. And so I'm gonna take it down and re-moisturize my hair because it's a little dry. I'm gonna put it into some chunkier twists so that my twist out tomorrow can be a little fluffy and not as defined. But anyway, I wanted to cook, but I'm gonna try to order something. It's very hard being plant-based and trying to order food, and especially when you go to different events, because some people do not accommodate you, which is why I have these pimples on my face, because my face was doing so well, you guys. My face did not break out for literally the past 2-3 weeks. My face was clearing up very well, but regardless, I'm gonna go and doctor my face up and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I am so sorry for not getting a lot of footage. My plan was to film myself setting up the booth, my vendor booth or vendor table, but that was not the case. I left out of the house 30 minutes before the doors open so that we can go in and set up. And the weather was so freaking bad this morning. It was raining and snowing, and the wind was going crazy. And so I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna speed trying to get to this event because I'm not about to hurt myself and then, not be able to go at all. So I, drove, like I had some sense, and so that I could get there. I got there 15 minutes, past the time that, they said that we can come in and set up. So I got there at 11:15. The doors open for us to set up at 11 o'clock. And so when I walked in there, pretty much everybody was already set up, and I'm just like, I'm the last person to walk in and set up. But that wasn't the case. I think there was still some other people who had to come in, but yeah. So I set up and I got a couple shots of the table once everything was put up. I wish I would have gotten a lot more, but it just didn't happen. So we're gonna try this again another time. But to talk about the event and how it went really well. From what I could see, a lot of vendors did well. It was a workout event, and so that's why you guys saw a lot of different clips from workout instructors. And so that was why a lot of people were there, but the people who were throwing the event wanted some vendors there. So, some of the customers or some of the people who were coming out there to work out could also shop with the customers. And a lot of them did, a lot of them didn't, because their purpose was they wanted to go there and they wanted to work out. And so, yeah, I met a lot of new people, gained a lot of new customers. I'm very happy about that. I want to do more pop-up shops this year. I'm going to sign up for some vendor events pretty soon. Probably try to do some in April. I don't know if I'm going to do any in May or not, just because, I'm just going to go ahead and do one in May. But I'm going to just keep signing up for different events and then see what happens. And, we'll try to make sure that I get there in enough time so that I can film the setup part. If not, if it just becomes so much of a hassle, then I'll just put a whole video together of me setting up my table so you guys could see how I set up my table. But anyways, if I keep this up, then I can very well have a 5-figure year, which is a goal. I'm hoping for that, praying for that. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go ahead and get dressed. Or get cleaned up, get dressed, and go to this comedy show with my sister. Hopefully I'll be able to get a lot more footage from there.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to like actually film though, because you can get in trouble. And so I don't want to, get thrown out and ruin my sister and her boyfriend's birthday. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I will see you guys there.
Okay, y'all, so I'm so sorry about yesterday, and excuse my appearance. Today is wash day, so I'm getting ready to wash my hair and style it for the week. But I didn't get a lot of footage from the comedy show last night. I thought I was going to be able to, because I'm thinking we're going to be sitting in the middle or somewhere towards the back, and so I was going to be able to get a little bit more footage, not of the actual show, but just of the inside and what it looks like and stuff. But when we went in, and I was not expecting, because I've never been this close before, we were right on the stage, well, right in front of the stage. So my knee was literally against the stage. And so there was no way I was going to be able to get anything. And so I got a couple shots, but that was pretty much it. So what I did try to do today was I tried to get a little bit more footage of what we did today. So me, my sister, her boyfriend's mother, and then two of my sister's coworkers or former coworkers, we went axe throwing and go-karting. And so that was pretty fun. I didn't plan on actually filming any of this, but because I did not do a good job yesterday, I decided to upload or show you guys what I'm doing today. And so, or what I did today, I'm sorry. So, yeah, I'm going to be a little bit more intentional about vlogging. I'm not used to carrying my phone around and vlogging everything. I'm a little bit better at like formal sit down videos versus actually vlogging everything, because I'm not used to carrying my phone out and taking videos or pictures of everything. And so I'm going to be more mindful of that in the near future, because I do want to vlog more. And so yeah, I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day, but just washing my hair and editing this video. So hopefully this video can go up today or maybe tomorrow. I'm hoping for today, but if it has to be tomorrow, then it has to be tomorrow, because I have to edit this entire thing. And so we're at the end, and thank you so much if you made it to the end. And of course, I need you to do something for me. I need you to hit that like button, subscribe, and also make sure you click the bell so you get notified every single time I post on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you. Bye, y'all.